Have you ever tossed a plastic bottle into a recycling bin and wondered, does this actually make a difference? Well, let me tell you, the answer is a resounding yes. And today, we're going to dive into exactly how that simple act helps our incredible planet. First up, let's talk about resources. Everything we use, from our phones to our soda cans, comes from the earth. In making a new aluminum can from scratch requires mining bauxite, ore, which is an energy-intensive process that can damage landscapes. But when you recycle an aluminum can, we can melt it down and make a new one using up to 95% less energy. That's a massive saving. This same principle applies to paper, glass, and plastic. Recycling means we don't have to chop down as many trees, mine as many minerals, or drill for as much oil. It's like giving our planet's natural pantry a well-deserved break. Next, let's consider pollution and our climate. When we manufacture products from raw materials, it often releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and contribute to climate change. Because recycling uses so much less energy, it significantly reduces these emissions. Think of every recycled item as a small victory in the fight against climate change, PL. Plus, proper recycling helps keep wastes out of our oceans and natural habitats, protecting wildlife from harmful debris. We've all seen those heartbreaking images of animals tangled in plastic. Recycling is a direct way to help prevent that. Now, you might be thinking about landfills. When we just throw things away, they end up in massive piles of trash. As this waste decomposes, it can release methane, a greenhouse gas even more potent than carbon dioxide. Plus, landfills can contaminate soil and groundwater with harmful chemicals. By recycling, we divert tons of material away from landfills. This not only saves space, but also prevents pollution, keeping our land and water cleaner and healthier for everyone. It's about turning what we see as waste into a valuable resource. So, how can you be a recycling champion? It starts with knowing your local rules. What can and can't be recycled in your area? A quick search on your city's website can tell you everything you need to know. A common mistake is recycling, tossing something in the bin, hoping it's recyclable. This can actually contaminate the whole batch. So, remember to rinse out your containers to remove food residue. A greasy pizza box, for example, can't be recycled with clean cardboard. Little habits like these make a huge difference in the efficiency of the recycling process. The impact of recycling is a powerful chain reaction. It conserves natural resources, saves energy, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and prevents pollution. Every single bottle, can, and piece of paper you recycle contributes to a healthier, more sustainable world for future generations. It's one of the most accessible ways for each of us to make a tangible, positive impact on the environment. So, the next time you're about to toss that bottle, remember the incredible journey it can take and the amazing benefits it brings. Thank you so much for watching and for caring about our planet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on how we can all live a little greener. See you in the next one.